26-9. With number 8, extra pass to number 15, Plato. 2 points by number 15. 26-11. Consulta. There's a foul winning jersey number 15, pushing foul. There goes Denao. Denao to Consulta. Consulta, attack the defense, block. Look at the defense, number 7, attack the reaction. That's a rebound number 19, pero nag-call na pinawak. For the version number 19. Number 25, inbound pass to number 4, Uka. Attack, Digger, rebound, number 1. Number 1, Pamantin on this for pass to number 15, and number 15 to number 8. Block. Super. Inbound pass, number 15, Kachi shot for 3. 3 points. Number 7, rebound. Single. Hook up, rebounding. Consulta number 20, block na naman. Consulta, rebounding the ball. That's number 25, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Oh good, Pangantion for the rebound. Pangantion, take a pass to number 19. Number 19, take a pass to number 15. Number 15, trying to penetrate, he puts it up his right goal. Rebound, this is number 7. Over that pass to number 31, Denao. Denao, that's for number 8 and number 1. Denao ngayon, pinasa na number 4, nakuha na number 0, balik sa labas. 31 Denao, grabe, nigga the rebound. Nigga the number jersey number 8, Yusel. Marquez to Ramirez number 20, Ramirez pinag-jumpers sa Gamexa. 26-16, baba sa 10 ang kalamangan. Ay jump ball. Out of position tayo. 2 minutes and 29 remaining time for the second quarter. Nag-jump ball kanina, nag-jump ball. That's 2 points. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan, 26-18. Baseball pass again to number 5, Matanos, number 15. Anim na lang ngayon ang lamang ng Team Umurol, 26-20. There's a foul for the jersey number 19. Second personal foul, number 19, warning for penalty, Timir Bacanang. 2 minutes and 5 seconds, 26-20. 6 na puntos para sa Team Umurol. Number 19 to number 15 from the outside. Naked. Eye for a rebound. Bola babalik sa Team Umurol. Consulta. Consulta on the basketball. Cross-court test to the now. Back pass to Consulta. Consulta to number 7 on the outside. A rebound number 19. Number 19 on the basketball. Being last by number 20. Baseball pass to number 1. Okay, backward variation. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Consulta, Bates. Oscar Tess, number 7. Number 19 for the rebound. Oscar Consulta. There's a foul running against number 20. Number 19, number 20, Consulta. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a foul running against number 7. Warning for penalty. Team overall. Warning for penalty. Number 20. Ramirez. Penalty na pa, penalty. Vincent. Vincent Paul. 51 seconds. And there's left the number 1, Tarantino, and lays it up naked. There's a rebound, taking the number 8. Yes, sir. Pass to Ramirez. Ramirez behind the back rebound. 30 seconds. They're still in. 22 seconds. Maraming narinig. 20 seconds. Now, being announced by number 15. 15 seconds. And the pass number 25. Basketball, foul violation number 20, Ramirez. Third personal foul, Ramirez. Third personal foul, Ramirez. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Okay. Over violation. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the end of the second quarter is now 29-22. 7-point lead para sa team overall. That's number 6 and number 16 for that. The number 19 from the center. Ayaw po na rebound. Napupunta sa team overall. Rebound that's number 29. Number 29 on the basketball. There's a pass. A traveling violation. Shifting pivot. Number 8 level. (29-22). 7-point lead para sa team overall. Mata, short, rebound, Nico. Ligot number 16 to number 29. Number 29, pass to Ligot. Ligot na po lang din, rebound. Ligot number 29, number 29 na tap. Make it again. Espinosa for the rebound. Espinosa from the outside. Being arrested by Burgan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 16, Nico. There's a foul call on jersey number 1, Pangatimo. First personal foul, number 1. There is no basket jumpers get ready for the second attack by Nico. Second goal, 2 out of 2 by Nico. The number 12, Mapa. Mapa to number 16, Bulgan. Mapa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, from the corner, they get it. Follows up the number 1, Pangantihon. High for the rebound by number 11. Number 11 is Espinosa to number 16. Forward pass to River Black. Rebound by number 9. Steal by Ligo. Ligo number 16. Extra pass from the under to number 1. 8 seconds on the shot clock. That's number 16 for Ghana. Bulgan from the outside, they get Carlos up at number 19, they get again number 19, a put-up basket makers on the foul. Basket count foul for the jersey number 16. Substitution, Pangantihon moves out, Barbanting moves out, Labao, and number 7 coming in. Second personal foul, Ligo, number 16. And number 29 is serving on the play. Attack the defense, Clutter short rebound. Taken by number 11, kick offense, number 25, 10 seconds on the shot clock. It's a turnover. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. 31-24. Rebound pass. Number 29, guarded by number 16, to Labo. There's a pass from the corner. From the outside for 3 points. Rebel. Number 9. Back the defense. He puts it up his right goal. That's a rebound by number 29. Number 29 behind the back 3-pointer. Being arrested by number 19. Number 29 attack the defense. Get the bounce in the score. 36-84. Number 16, Bulgan in and out. Espinosa for the rebound. Espinosa number 11. Number 29. Number 29 with a ball. Kick up pass to Lama from the outside. Short rebound by number 16, Bulgan. There is a whistle, a kick ball. Rebound pass to Bulgan. Bulgan to number 7. Okay, traveling violation. Subdivision. Never moves out, but never coming in. Here comes number 29. In the level, Nabo is single. Substitution. Palyarmo moves out. Matalos coming in. Another substitution. Bulgan moves out. Diaz coming in. Labao to number 29. Being arrested by Diaz. Labao, short rebound, number 16, Ligo. It's a rebound by number 15, Ataros. Here comes Mapa. Pass to Diaz. Diaz, number 22, kick up pass to Mapa. Mapa from the outside, they get rebound by Espinosa. Espinosa to number 29. Pass to Labao to Ligo. Ligo penetrate on the way to the basket for the Mason. Here comes Mapa. Villegas by number 25. Mapa on the drive, stays it up, get the bounce and the score. Back pass to number 4, Ukap. Lava to number 25. Maho on the drives, reverse, naked. Right for the rebound, scrapping with the loose ball. Technical, raising number 12. Stepping elbow, subdivision. Number 12, observe, Francisco coming in. Umuroy. Uka cross the test to Lama. Lama number 25 from the outside. Rebounds. Lama. Rebound test number 22, Diaz signaling the play. Diaz. Number 7. Jump ball, 7. Diaz goes the pass. Back pass to Diaz. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 7. Big play and rebound Nava. Nava baseball pass. Butanyada king of pass. Hanging in the air to get rebound by number 19. Number 19 on the basketball, number 19 pass to Diaz. Diaz being asked by Tanyada. Diaz. Number 12. Backward violation. 1 minute and 1 second. Substitution. Diaz moves out. Vince coming in. American Soka. Utanyada number 14. Nava from the corner. Very good. High for the rebound number 4. Ukap kick up pass again to Lava. Lava to Tanyada. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tanyada. Very good. Rebound by number 0. High pass number 19. Number 19 on the basketball. Almonte. Almonte to number 12. Papa. Papa. Down for 3 points. Papa. 28 seconds. Intercepted. That's number 12. Mapa lays it up. They get rebound by number 14. There's got one loose ball. That ball. Well position para sa team number 4. 13 seconds. 30 seconds. Number 25. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of the third quarter is scored 41-30.